Cracked your knuckles and wondered, what's that sound? Is it bad for you? Or just a weird body trick? Let's break it down. Inside your joints, there's a special fluid called synovial fluid. It's like the oil for your bones. This fluid has tiny dissolved gases. When you stretch your fingers, you expand the joint space, creating a vacuum. That vacuum pulls the gases together into a bubble, and when that bubble pops, crack, that's the sound you hear. It's just physics. So the next time you hear that crack, don't worry, it's just physics at work. And if you want the full breakdown, check out the full video. Link in the description.